Hello. So, I have no idea how good the quality is on this thing, at least audio-wise, but hi people! We have a very special, different stream going on right now. And... Kitty. This is for you, Kitty. Hi, everybody. I see people in chat. I don't see who's here. We have Ben, we have Demos, we have Trix, we have Sparkle. I think I caught everyone. Hi, people. Demos, water, because water's needed. Alright, so let's see if we can figure out how to put this thing together. I already cut it open because I needed to. We have big old honkin' rule set. And I might die. We'll see. I don't know. We have pad things. How's the audio, by the way? This is a new webcam and I've never used the audio on it before, so I have absolutely no idea how it sounds. Didn't get a chance to test it. There's bubble wrap to be had. Bubble wrap. The merch and the kitties can be seen. Unfortunately, my phone's over here. I should, I had it plugged in so my battery didn't explode. It is indeed a cat treadmill. That is exactly what's happening. And hopefully, they'll use it at least once. That'd be kind of nice. Maybe I should have done this part before. Thought about it. Wasn't quite sure. Okay, so we have all the plasticky bits out. We have a kitty playing with bubble wrap behind me. We have one piece of the wheel assembly here. Ooh, they feel nice and smooth. Okay, so let's see. 1A. Oh god, there's tiny little fiddly bits. 1A. Put a tiny, tiny little bitty clip in there times 16. I see. That requires finding the tiny, tiny little clips first. That is not tiny, tiny little clip. Ah. The tiny, tiny little clip bag. Got it. Okay. Oh, and here's the times 16. I see. Alright. Cat wheel! Hi, Scooby. Hi, Scooby. Welcome. Oh, God. There's so many parts. Why are there so many parts? I mean, as soon as I saw a small rectangular box showing up at my front door, I knew that this was going to be an assembly chore. So much. So Scooby, when you said yesterday, like right before our Gen Zero stream, you're like, how about now, Cat Wheel? I'm like, it's 20 minutes. There's no time. There's no time for that. And then random metal bar. I'm sure all will be explained in time. Random metal bar. So Ben, I just noticed that you recently appeared on YouTube and possibly on Twitch as well. I'm not entirely sure, but hello, welcome. Okay, so turns out I didn't need my knife. I might need my knife. I'll keep that handy. Plastic. Okay, so these little things go in that little thing. So one of these, which direction does it go in? It goes in here. Yeah, it goes in there. It goes in there like a so. Like a so. Sort of. Sort of. Why are you not cooperating? I'm trying to do this without breaking anything. That looks to be the correct answer, though. So it's just kind of a pain in the butt to squeeze it in there. Okay. That's what she said. Okay. Well, I have a lot of these to do. Yes, Gila is definitely helping. Hey Gila. Hi. How are you? Would you like a fish? He just kind of huffed and sighed at me when I did that. Oh, cat. Oh, cat. Okay, so this is a fiddly bit. And it kind of hurts the thumbs a little bit. Okay. I shall carry on. So how's everyone doing today? You believe in me? Well, that's good to know. Okay. 5 done. It'd be nice if there was a slightly easier way to get these little bits in here. Maybe that works. That's possibly an answer. Let's try that again, see if that actually works properly. Yeah, that's a little bit smoother. A little bit smoother. I can't even begin to explain how this is terrible on the thumbs, or how I'm doing it slightly easier, but, you know, whatever. So that's halfway there. Is everyone able to hear the music properly? I didn't actually check the music before I started. I just kind of pushed the go button and hope the best. Okay, that's 10. Okay. Good, we have exactly 16. The pile of plastic bits seemed very large, and it wasn't clear that that was exactly how many I needed. No tunes. So the music I keep at a very low volume so as not to interrupt whatever I happen to be doing game-wise or whatever. So you're probably not hearing it if you don't have me up loud enough to get over the really quiet volume. I can turn that up if we want, because I'm not doing anything that needs to be interrupted. Okay, if you're hearing it, if the volume's good, good. If not, I can turn it up. Kind of have to go all the way over there to do that, but whatever, it's fine. And yes, I am intentionally wearing my lovely, lovely merch. Two more. Two more. My poor thumb. Okay. Step one. Done. God damn it. Okay. Next step. Click that shit together. Make a ring. I can do that. I think I can do that. Sure. Click that shit together. I don't actually have an internal concept of how big this is going to be when I'm done, but now that I'm halfway through one of these rings, I think I get the gist. Uh-huh. Alright, what I probably should do is I should probably assemble two halves of these. If I can get that apart. There we go. Two halves of these and click them together at the middle so I don't have to try to like wedge them in there. Yay, tricks. You're gonna have a Twinticle Kitty hoodie for your hospital trip. I approve. Okay, so two halves, and then we should be able to push this back in place. There we go. And we should be able to click them in like so. And like so. There. Yeah, big old ring. I gotta do that again. I don't have room for apple scrap. Box, you are empty. You're gonna go that way. There. A little bit of room. I need a Twinticle onesie for the baby. You know, I didn't have that option, unfortunately. Demos teased us with his Twinticle onesie mock-up, making us think it was a possibility. I know the concept exists. I don't have the printing capacity. Hi, B. How are you? We're like a quarter of the way there, kitty. Okay. And then, whoop, sorry, kitty. Sorry, kitty. I startled him. Okay, ring number 2, done. Okay, next step. Next step. A shitload more clips. Yay. Okay, so these little thingies have the same space to put the clips as the other place, and they are just about as fun to do as before. Actually, they're slightly more fun to do. And by slightly, I mean my thumb doesn't hurt as bad. Okay, one done. So I need to do that 7 more times. Sweet. And then these click in right like so. Okay, got it. It says align grooves. We have grooves to align. I see. Because apparently they fit in a specific orientation. That's cool. I like it. Yes, Doc. Cat wheel. Cat wheel. I tried to prod drums into joining. I saw that he was playing a game though, so he's probably in the middle of a match or whatever. But drums is significantly responsible for this happening, as well as the cat cam. So I was hoping that he'd be able to watch. Thumb. Okay, yeah, my thumb's gonna be royally fucked by the time I'm done with this. I wonder if I have an object that I will find that is once it's too late to do this job a lot easier. Probably have something perfect for the job. Ow. Ow. Okay, 3 done. So many damn clips. It's ingenious though. I mean, the way this thing is put together, there's a lot of modularity in the parts and the clipping design. And in reality, there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are really only 3 major components, and then this is the most unique assembly piece that there is. And I find that fascinating that they were able to build this giant thing out of essentially 3 or 4 unique parts. So since this is going to be one solid stream going straight from Cat Wheel into GTFO, I am probably going to end up downloading this and splitting it out. So I'll probably have the assembly video up on YouTube separately. So if he doesn't get to join the stream, he'll at least be able to watch me assemble if he is so inclined. And then there may or may not be some sort of montage of cat usage if that ever happens. My poor thumb. Stay. Okay. I need a moment. My thumb. How are we doing time-wise? I don't know time. 6:30? Actually, this is going a lot faster than I thought it would. So what you have to do is put a mind control device on your cat. So whenever I get a follow or a sub, the cat runs on the wheel. Now, wouldn't that be something? That would be amazing. I just need to get Gizmo to enjoy it. And if I can, I might set up some sort of motion detection for auto recording. Because there is a solid chance that these cats will only use this at 4 a.m. And I will most likely not always be there to witness it. Ah, buttons. Okay, next step. Put that shit together. Got it. Alright, so it says A with A and B with B. A, B, A, B, A with A, B with B. That makes sense. So like so. Sure, why not? And then it says to align the little groovy doohickeys. Do I have groovy doohickeys? I have groovy doohickeys. Alright, so I have 2 spare clippy things. Those can go over there for now. Groove with groove. So this goes in like that. Probably should be laying this flat. Done. Then I need to move so I can see it. Groove, groove. Groove, groove, groove. And then the tricky bit is getting the snapping in place. Okay. Okay. I get it. I dig it. Okay. Groove, 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 snap, and snap. Okay. And then it's a little bit wobbly right now, but once we get the other ring on, it should go. Drums is here. Hi, Drums. I wanted to thank you for this, because you did have a very significant hand in both the cat wheel as well as the camera that we're on right now. So thank you, Drums. I appreciate it, and I'm hoping cats will appreciate it. So far they've liked the bubble wrap. You know, there's that. Okay. We're still doing clippy things. Yeah, like that. Alright, how are we doing? We doing good? Okay. Spinny, spinny. Spinny, spinny. Spinny, spinny. You are not the right orientation. There we go. Okay. We're good there. I haven't hula hooped in like 15 years, so that's probably going to be disastrous for the whole thing. And yes, I understand content, but I also don't want to break the content. Even better, God. One more. Now I'm going to assume the tricky bit will be to get the ring, the other ring on top of here, all lined up correctly. That feels like the next challenge. Oh God. Alright, this has to go, because it's in my way. Okay. Step 2. Done. Yup. Align the ring. Okay. Well, I can probably do that. Ring. Align the ring with the little groovy things. Align ring with groovy things. Okay. Yep. I knew this would be a little bit of a challenge. Okay. Whew. That was tough. Turn me into an e-girl. Oh, dear God. Actually, it's funny you mentioned that because I've seen a couple videos lately of some guys doing the e-girl stuff. You know, swimsuit in a bathtub in their house. Partly because it's amusing, and partly to see if they can prove a point to Twitch that maybe it's not the right platform for that. Okay, have I gotten it? Have I done the thing? I have a wheel. It's not falling apart. It seems fine. All right. Next step. That was actually step 3. That was our fastest step yet. Okay. Both sides do the thingy. Got it. Both sides do the thingy. Make Gizmo and Gila into e-girls? Oh no. I'm not sure they'd like wearing the bikini. Okay, both sides. I mean, you're right. I won't know if they like the bikini until I try. By the way, where does one get a cat bikini? That feels like a thing that one should know. Cat wheel. Cat wheel. Random mystery plastic piece. That was probably rubber on the bottom of here. I must have popped it out while I was doing the thing. Cat wheel. Stay. Cat. All right. Next up is putting the wheel on for a test spin. Are we on for a test spin? We are on. We are on. It's been. The only thing that's missing is I think that there is a method to dampen the noise coming off of this. And I'll have to look at that because there's a little bit of a scraping noise there, which I think can be fixed. And I think that might just be alignment. Okay. Yeah, that's alignment. I think I can fix that. That's just going to require a little bit of poking and prodded. I'll do that later. No hula hoop. Nope, I refuse. Not happening. Everything's on Amazon, so cat bikini. No, I refuse to hula hoop. All right. So the last bit is the foam coverings, and then these thingies. $20K twin points for hula hooping. Oh god. These things, which are supposed to go like right there, so that the thingy doesn't like slide off the guides. Probably better tools for that. It is a big wheel. Also, howdy pine. I'm not putting the cats on here yet because it's all smooth, slippy surface. So I'm pretty sure that's not going to be great for them. Alright, and then this is the last bit, which probably I should wait and do another wipe down because it got floor fuzz all over it. Because this is, I'm pretty sure, a sticky pad solution. I shall BRB as I get a wipey solution. I return bearing cat. Ow. Bye, cat. Easy enough to clean. Cat's like, no, not gonna happen. Alright, we dry yet? Almost. Almost dry. Dry faster. Dry faster. Alright, is this just sticky tape? This is sticky tape. Oh god. Sticky tape. Seems simple enough. Except for getting the back off the sticky tape. Sorry. Sticky tape's there, tearing. I don't like it. Oh, oh, get on there. Get on there. Ah, my fingers. Does the thing have a weight limit? I mean, if you're thinking what I think you're thinking, no humans, I'm pretty sure. But beyond that, I think it listed something like 100 pounds, maybe 50 based on what I'm feeling in the flex. It should have enough for the entire inside. Probably should check that just to be sure. Oh yeah, more than enough. I might even have to cut some. Might have to cut. Come here, come here, come here. This part's mildly tricky. Okay, have fun, Trix. Come on, you can do it. Stop sticking. I mean, I know I want you to stick, but stop sticking right this moment. Thank you. Right. Half-ish done? Half-ish. No, don't break. Stop it. Nope. The alignment is definitely tricky. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
More than enough. Just keep checking, because it keeps worrying me. Oh, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. Hardest part is getting it to stick, to stop sticking for half a second so I can move it in the right spot. And the other half is getting it to stop sticking to my hand so I can get my hand out of the way. Okay, so one there, and then one there, and I'm gonna have to cut just a little bit. Okay. Now, to cut. So you are going to be right about there. And you are going to be right about there. Okay, that should be good. Surface to cut upon. Here we go. There we go. Turns out this material does not like to cut. Go figure. Okay, hopefully that'll be good. Let's test it out. Perfect. That might require a slight shave if I can. There we go. Cat wheel all complete. Hooray, I did the thing. Alright, it was worth a try. It's also a very crushed ball. Okay, so cat wheel complete. I'm going to take a moment to step away before we get doing the streamy thing. And next up is GTFO. So this will be up behind me in streams. If we ever get a good shot of Cat using it, hooray. If not, well, worth a try. So, LBRB everybody, thanks for joining me for the cat thing.